So yeah, now we're trying a new style of hot pot that cooks by cold water. A lot of YouTubers talk about it. Okay, let's open and see. Yeah, this is the package. This is the sauce. They gave you a chopstick, so actually anywhere you can eat it. In apartment, typhoon, anything. Okay, these are the package.
This looks like have meat inside here.
Meat and vegetable, I guess. And this is the noodle. There. And this is the ball. Put everything in it first. And you have to put cold water in here.
But you have to take tea off this back.
Yeah, I know. Do this later. Put all your food first.
All my food in first.
Yep. Let's see.
All of it?
Everything.
Okay.
Do you need a Caesar? Yeah. Okay, let me pause it. Okay, so we are going to put the noodle in it right now. Kind of excited. Have noodle, have everything. Whoa. I have a feeling you should put noodle on top, right? Or no?
You can put, no, mostly hot pot, they put on the last.
Oh yeah, okay. Like a boiling point style.
No, they put it at the bottom.
Okay. Is your hand clean?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's tear that out. I want to see what kind of meats they have.
Oh my.
They say this is a no spicy hot pot because that's how we choose it on purpose.
Okay. This how magic come out.
Come on. That's the vegetable and meat. What they have, I'm so curious. Ew, there's water in it. Push it out.
What is that?
I don't know. I never see it.
What is that? Oh
What is
my
that?
god.
Oh, okay. I see vegetable. Where's the meat?
Okay.
Is that everything?
Yeah.
Okay, sauce. This is
That's
the
all.
soup base.
Can I
Yeah. You can look around and see what they have.
look at it? Oh, I see all vegetable.
Yeah, I see all vegetable, no meat too. How come like that? I thought
I
it
thought
had
have
meat.
meat.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Just cut that back out.
And this is the tomato soup base that we choose it.
Oh, no meat.
Kind of sad. Or you can slice some meat,
Some
put it in,
beef.
or chicken. We have it, and then you slide it in, cover it, right?
Oh.
I don't know why they don't have meat inside.
Maybe we
They
can
even
go
have shrimp
slice
on the
some
picture. Yeah, we can go cut chicken. Dump it, soup base. So there's an instruction on how to use it. It's quite cool.
The weirdest thing ever.
Yeah, but I see a lot of people do it. Is it smell spicy? Can you smell it? Cause it's a tomato soup base.
Nope. It
Okay.
smells like beef curry.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So take this out. Put the water inside both.
No, we have to put chicken in it, right?
Oh, so you're gonna slide chicken?
Oh.
Okay, let's go do it. Okay, let's put water inside for the food, and we just cut some chicken and eggs to put it in, and we hope it will work. Put it more. Oh, okay, I think that is fine. Okay, and let's put some in here at the bottom line. Cold water only, okay? Done? Done?
Okay.
Okay,
Done.
put the food inside.
Oh my god.
It's boiling. Oh my gosh, let me picture. Oh, it's boiling already. You heard that? Cover the lid fast. They say cover immediately. Oh my goodness. Is it hot?
This.
Oh, the sauce came out. Can you hear
Yeah,
it?
it's hot there.
No. Time is up. Let's open and see the magic. Be careful, it may be hot, so be careful.
Okay.
Magic time. Hot? Is it hot?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful, it's hot. And then through your cap here. Be careful. Oh my, oh, the egg is cooked. Chicken is cooked. Look, it's
Yeah.
not red at all. Oh my goodness. Let me take a picture.
But we have to dip the sauce fast.
Yeah, you have to stir the soup base. Oh my gosh, the egg is cooked. Yeah, stir your tomato soup base. See, the chicken is done. Can I open it? I want to bite this and see. This one.
Yeah. What do you mean?
It's not pink at all.
Wait a bit. Let me flip this over.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I want to try it. It's dirty already.
Here, look.
Take two, you can eat it too.
Yeah.
Eat together. Here, let me try the chicken. Ah. Here, look. Guys. It's solid. Here, see? It's done. Do you see it?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, let's eat it.
Let's see.
Soup base.
Yeah, let's try the soup base.
I want to
and
try
then-
too. But you have to stir it because this side is not enough.
Yeah, because
Oh
there's
my
too much
God.
stuff in here.
Oh yeah.
So, like,
How about
it's
noodle
tied
down
together.
there?
Okay, let's see.
Oh my gosh, we cracked egg in it and we put some chicken in it and it's cooked. Totally cooked. But one thing is we had to kind of slide as thin. Don't have a big piece.
Let's try.
Try and see. I think it's done because you see that color, you know. Okay, let me pause it. So,
It tastes.
so what do you think about this after you have a couple bites? And did you have a soup base? How is it?
So the first thing first.
Was it soft enough?
A lot of vegetable.
Yes, but was it
Like
soft
tons of
enough?
Yeah, it's soft enough.
Okay,
And-
but how about the soup base? Is it taste good
The soup base.
or sour?
This soup base, because this soup base that we bought it is
Tomato.
tomatoes. So it's kind of sour.
Okay.
But
is
this tastes good. It's not taste like real hot pot, so don't expect about that. But
Oh, okay.
it tastes like a normal cup noodle flavor.
Like an instant
Yeah.
food.
Yeah.
But how about the noodle? Did you try it?
Yeah, it's soft. I try it. It's all the
Nice.
way down here. So here, like you can see it. It's like
Oh,
soft
wow.
enough that I can pull it straight
Wait,
directly.
the
like
noodle
that.
get
Yeah,
bigger.
it's soft.
Ah!
Oh,
Okay,
splash
okay.
around.
Okay, so you're gonna have it with rice, okay?